there, I'm Beth and I am with Crafty Corner, and today I'm coming to you with a awesome design space hack. One question I get a lot is, why does my Cricut only draw the outline of letters and not fill it in? The answer to that question is that the font is not a writing font. It only knows the letters by the outline as to where to cut if it was going to cut it out of vinyl. If you wanted to write in one single line, you would need to select a writing font. However, by accident, I discovered this little hack. So we are going to have the Cricut fill in our cutting font. Let's get to it. In Design Space, we are going to start by selecting text, and then I'm just going to write hello. I'm then going to change the operation from basic cut to pen. I'm going to make it a little bigger here, but as you can see, it is only going to have those outline of that letter. So the hack here is we're going to use offset. Now, normally offset is to create something bigger than your shape to be able to create kind of a background, but instead we are actually going to go less than our shape. So it's going to create a line inside the line that we already have. So about 0.05. And then we're going to just keep doing this until almost the whole thing is filled in. Gonna just keep going until about right there, so there isn't much space between the two lines. Then we wanted to draw this all together. So we're gonna select all of them and attach them all together. Let's hit make it. We do want to put this on a mat. So in clamp A, I'm going to insert my Cricut marker here, and it will first draw the outline. Then it will continue to draw all of the negative offsets inside. All right, and there it is all done. You can see in the H and the E that there's a little bit of space there that we will have to fill in by hand, but for the most part, it did a great job. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, give us a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to see all of our Cricut tutorials and tips and tricks.